One of the impressive companies out there when it comes to lightning ecosystem in crypto is ZBD. It is a company known for its lightning powered great ecosystem, and just recently they have revealed the alpha version of their latest app upgrade social. They have told on their website and also to media that this new groundbreaking social layer introduces a new paradigm for social media where engagement and content are transformed into monetary value. Creators on the platform will retain an impressive 99% of their earnings and also providing a fair and value driven experience for everyone all around. The ZBD app, powered by Nostr, a decentralized protocol with over 2 million users, created at NBD, ZBD's open source arm aims to empower individuals from diverse backgrounds to monetize their online identities. They have also attracted partnerships with prominent industry players such as Fun Games, Wavelake, Fountain, and Kesso. And with these collaborations, users can now earn rewards by engaging with games, podcasts, music, art, and more within the ZBD ecosystem. They also are recognizing and rewarding users' passions and creativity in the realm of social media. Another cool feature is called as Zaps, which is a Bitcoin micropayment as tiny as 0.0002 cents. Already available on Nostr, they make a simple social media like become a financial transactions, enabling user to directly support content creators. The app also offers open social media functionality, allowing messages, profiles, and posts to flow seamlessly across any Nostr powered app or website. Additionally, the app introduces the ability to send money via encrypted chats, fostering secure peer-to-peer transactions. So I believe that this is a great new upgrade and new feature, which is because this layer is going to deliver all in one space for people to connect, play, and earn while embracing the values around crypto. Because there is a lot of talk about the crypto winter, I think this sort of thing where people will also gain some financial benefit is going to help crypto world a lot. I hope you enjoyed it. I will put the link to Zebedee website in the video's description. Thanks for listening.